What's the deal, y'all? It's your boy j.koolii back with another video. So I went ahead and bought a full BMR suspension package. So like links, I don't really know the details of it, but if you go on like Lethal Performance, you can look up BMR suspension. So I got the lowering spring, so it's like 1 1/4 in the front lower and then a 1/2 inch lower in the back. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. It's for improved traction, improve, weight transfer at the track and stuff like that, and just overall better handling, especially if you're going the boosted route or full bolt on E85. You're gonna want to be able to control the power. When this car was stock, like just completely stock with the stock suspension and everything, there was like a little chirp between gears. That can allow a lot of bad stuff to happen when your tires are spinning mid-gear. Say you have your traction control off and it chirps and it gets loose. I think that's why a lot of Mustangs get in accidents in the first place. The suspension set up for this type of horsepower. They add more horsepower without adding supporting mods to accommodate for the more power that they have. Same thing with brakes, but with the PP1 package, I don't think you have to worry about that. But if you have a base model Mustang and you plan on boosting it or going full bolt on E85, upgrade your brakes, please, bro, because you want to stop. As much as you want to go, you're going to want to stop once you get to the end of that track or the end of that race or a freeway. Somebody pulls out on you, you're going to want to stop. So that's key. So I really bought the lowering springs for appearance at first, but then I was hearing like they actually do have an effect at the drag strip or on like a drag racing type thing, or a dig on the street. Like they actually do help with weight transfer. Also the suspension, the BMR suspension, it's for wheel spin, not wheel spin, but wheel hop. So it helps combat like wheel hop. Wheel hop is like the most dangerous thing that can happen to your car at the track, other than your engine blowing, because it can literally tear up your whole drivetrain. It can tear up your axles, your drive shaft. That's pretty much it. We also went with 2,000 horsepower axles in the back. So I'm really trying to ensure. I did this with my Hellcat Red Eye. I made sure I got the supporting mods first before upping boost. Yes, we will be boosting the car. This is official now. I'm excited. Y'all got to stay tuned for the later date video, stuff like that. If this is your first time watching, like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see another boosted Mustang in the family, because I know it's a lot of people out there already, hit the
Watch your profanity. Right, I'm sorry.
Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you won't miss any videos. I will be going in like very detailed videos on my journey with boost and try to learn from other people's mistakes. That's why I'm going with these axles and this suspension package, because I've seen people up their boost and they break an axle, they break half shaft, they break drive shaft, diffs, blowing, everything. We're still going to be on a 355 gear. I don't want to change out gears right now. I just want to see how this one performs. And also I'm going to be doing some roll racing too, or like 6130 runs. So I hear from certain people that 355 is like the perfect gear. It's a perfect middle ground, whereas 315 is like shifts like that. But we'll see how it goes. If you have any comments or any knowledge you want to give to me, wisdom, all that good stuff, or any of your experiences, you can leave all that in the comment section below. But yeah, we're gonna step outside right fast and we're gonna check out how the lowering springs affect the appearance of the vehicle if it's too low, because I do have a steep driveway, because that was one of my main concerns, like, oh, it's gonna be too low. But actually it's kind of like just perfect. Like it's not that low, but it's low enough to see and have like a visual aspect, like, oh, that's a low car, oh, that's a lowered car. Like you can definitely tell the difference from previously when on the stock suspension. But yeah, I'm gonna head outside right fast. We'll show you how it looks. Like I said, I got the axles, BMR suspension, and the drag springs or lowering springs, whatever you want to call it. I believe the lowering springs were from BMR 2. So it's a full BMR package, and then the 2000 horsepower rated axles are from, I think you only get them from DSS, but yeah, I got it from DSS. I don't want to do a drive shaft right now because I don't see many people you know, damaging their drive shafts if they have suspension back there, but we shall see how it goes. But yeah, let me step outside. I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna step outside, let y'all see how it look. Y'all leave a comment below if y'all like it, you feel me? If you don't like it, whatever. All right, let's go. All right, so this is the front. As you see, it's not that low. I still have pretty good clearance, at least 6-7 inches off the ground. And then the back is a 1/2 inch shorter, so you really can't tell, but it looks better aesthetically to me. Leave a comment below what y'all think. All right, we're back in the car here. As you can see, I got the carbon fiber Alcantara steering wheel. If you wanna get this, just go on eBay. You know, half of the things on this car is from eBay. Even these axles and stuff like that. Like, people sell it. You can get it so much faster, and you could get it. You can actually view the processing of it. Like, it updates like in real time where your package is. So that's one thing I like about eBay. I know eBay gets a bad rap because of scammers and stuff like that, but it is insured. You just have to read your descriptions. It will be insured as long as you read the description. So I have some goodies for the inside. So I have these carbon fiber paddle shifters, and then I have this, just to add a little pizzazz to the vehicle. But I'm gonna put this on right fast, and then these on, and then you can tell me how it looks. All right. Now this is the finished product. So I think I got this lined up like, I don't want to say perfect, but it's dang near perfect. I mean, it's hard to mess up when you got a little outline like that. And then these, they just look good. You can't really use it if you all the way up here because it doesn't really, like, if you hear like it doesn't click. But about right here is about the limit for it. So you're anything like halfway, but it does, extend it a little bit. So like you could be right here instead of all the way down here. But down here you can I don't know, it'll click down there though. But up here you can't really do much, so it's gonna be one of those pop, 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 pop. But yeah, so this is gonna be the end of the video. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Let me turn the camera around. All right, there we go. So like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I got a lot of content coming soon. Stay tuned. Some days it's gonna be, no videos because the car's getting worked on. I'm gonna try to start making like little bits and scenes in between or whatever. I'll probably put some races in or something like that, or my old races. But yeah, this is gonna be the end of the video. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Rock with me, and I'm gonna rock with y'all. Stay tuned, y'all. I got something big happening, y'all. Like soon, like this week soon. So y'all stay tuned. All right, I'm out this thing. Peace.